Welcome to my channel. Again, this is Youcook here. Today I will be uploading another caramelized pork ribs prepared in fish sauce. This recipe goes really well with the Vietnamese sweet and sour soup that I uploaded 2 days ago. This is one of my special dishes which I often prepare at home, and it was the first recipe that my mother taught me back in high school. Look how beautiful it looks. So let's get to it. Again, you will need 2 trays of the spare ribs and just cut it into 1 inch in length. This time I don't have the time to boil it with salt and vinegar, so I just went ahead and give it a good wash and remove impurities periodically. On a non-stick pot, add in 1 piece of brown rock sugar bar. When the sugar caramelizes, add in the ribs. Give it a good stir so the meat completely coated with caramelized sugar. I prefer to use this brown rock sugar bar because of its color. It gives out much better color on the meat. Add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Add in 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Add in 1 teaspoon of cooking oil to bring out the garlic flavor. Add in 1/3 cup of fish sauce. If it's not salty, you can always add more later. Add in 4 cups of water to cover the meat and close the lid and braise for 30 minutes to 45 minutes depending on your stove. And that's it, we're almost done. My sauce has been reduced. Notice I also added 1 Thai chili, and this is the consistency I want to finish my recipe. This is the reason why I like to use brown rock sugar bar, as it provides a very nice warm structure and accounts for a beautiful color result. Garnish with green onion and cilantro and more black pepper and chilies if you like spicy. This recipe can serve over rice. Best of all, this recipe is often prepared to serve with Vietnamese sweet and sour soup. This recipe has been completed. I hope you enjoy watching my video, and if you like the recipe, please give it a try and let me know how it goes. If you like my video, please give me 2 thumbs up and don't forget to click the button below, subscribe. Thank you for sticking around. Enjoy the rest of the weekend and take care. Bye now.